So, you have a problem with your base sketch and you don't know what to do. So let's take a look at this. I've checked all your dimensions, did all the basic stuff. It looks like it's in pretty good shape, but there's one thing that kind of stands out here. And that is that 1.5 inch dimension. If you kind of take a look at that, like what's going on here? That dimension should be dimensioning this thing right at its maximum, right where it's tangent to a vertical line that might be there. And not somewhere else. It kind of looks like you have a midpoint in here. So how do we fix that? Well, gosh, you just kind of take that away, maybe get that out of the midpoint. You could actually put it on the edge over here if you want to do that over here, and it should do the same thing on the other side, but let's just make sure we have that right. Let's just go ahead and erase that. And this time put a dimension between the arcs. Don't pick the midpoint. Pick the arc itself. And if you have to, what you need to do is kind of take your selection and get it away from any other clutter that might be there, like midpoints, endpoints, and other sketch relations, ends of dimensions, stuff like that. So we're going to go ahead and go to the green check mark and then go to leaders. And then we're going to make that the maximum condition on both sides. And then put in the real value. That was the original value, so 1.5. And if we rebuild this, and I'm so confident we're going to get that right, I'm just going to go right to the end, go to our mass properties down here, and let's see what we're getting here. So it should be 0.0076 pounds, as it is. And then the center of the mass and the Y is going to be 6005, and then 1066, which it is here, minus 0.6005. So yeah, we got it. That was it. So sometimes it takes a while to try to pick that stuff out, but kind of look for the obvious, look at it real close, and then eventually you're going to find that.